Welcome to this tutorial on how to redeem your rewards from your Chase credit card. Chase offers a wide range of credit cards with various rewards programs, including cashback, travel points, and exclusive experiences. To get the most out of your rewards, follow these steps. First, log into your Chase online account or mobile app to access your rewards dashboard. Here, you can view your available rewards balance, including cashback, points, or miles. Make sure you have enough rewards to redeem, as the minimum redemption amount may vary depending on your card. Next, choose your redemption option. If you have a cashback card, you can redeem your rewards for a statement credit, direct deposit, or gift cards. For travel cards, you can book travel directly through the Chase portal or transfer your points to partner airlines or hotels. Some cards also offer exclusive experiences, such as concert tickets or sporting events. To redeem your rewards, click on the redemption option you prefer and follow the prompts. For cashback, you can choose the amount you want to redeem and confirm the transaction. For travel, you can search and book your travel arrangements or transfer your points to a partner loyalty program. When redeeming your rewards, keep in mind that some options may have expiration dates or restrictions. For example, travel points may expire after a certain period, or gift cards may have restrictions on usage. Always review the terms and conditions of your rewards program to maximize your redemption value. Best practices for redeeming your Chase rewards include redeeming your rewards regularly to avoid expiration, using your rewards for high-value redemptions such as travel or exclusive experiences, and considering transferring your points to partner loyalty programs for maximum flexibility. By following these steps and considering your redemption options carefully, you can get the most out of your Chase credit card rewards. Remember to always review your rewards balance and terms regularly to ensure you are maximizing your rewards earnings and redemption value.